So here is the new mouse that I received as a replacement of my original mouse. And you can see the serial number here. And I also bought the G6004. And here is how I find the problem. Firstly, I started Unreal Engine, and when I click play, if I hold the right mouse, you see I'm holding the right mouse. If I move around, okay, the problem disappeared. Okay, I don't know why. Yeah, you see. Yeah, you see. Here. When hold the right mouse, it should aim at the iron side constantly, but sometimes like it goes back to the normal. But if I hold the right key of my G04, you see there's no problem. And I hold this one, no problem. But sometimes, yeah, you see. And this one, yeah, it shouldn't have any problem. And to verify the problem, I also have also did the test here. If I hold the right mouse button of my G604, and hold constantly, you can hear the sound while I am clicking the right button, and it matched the picture here. There's nothing wrong. But for this mouse, here you see the blue, sometimes it goes back. You see, and this problem bothers me. I found this problem because like when I'm dragging the blueprint of the engine, when I use my G04, I drag it holding my right mouse button. It's okay, so it feels good. And if I use this mouse when I drag it, sometimes it's okay, but you can see like yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why the problem is disappeared, because it just happens sometimes. Yeah, the problem disappeared. But like I said, this problem is not like happening like every time. It just happens sometimes. Let's see if I hold the right button here. There is no problem now. But I think it will happens maybe in 5 minutes. It will happen again. You see hold here. If I drag, if I aim, Well, I don't know. I don't know. I think it's okay if that's the case. If it doesn't bother me. Um. Wait. What happened? Yeah, I will update the problem. I will update the video if I find the problem again.